Hi there, Connor here for Plus Software Solutions. We've developed a tool that gives business owners and CFOs insight into the business trading changes while reducing the time cost of maintaining accurate forecasts. Forecast.live's monthly forecasting tool automatically receives your budgets, your charter of accounts, and your transactions to build an easy-to-interpret spreadsheet view. This view shows your monthly positions per category and per account. And it also shows how you measured up against the budgeted figures, automatically evaluating months as they complete. This report also shows an end-of-period assessment, allowing you to quickly determine both the final position, actuals for past plus budgets for future, and your budgeted position, and compare these. You can switch between prepared budgets if you do have them, or you can also use your previous year's actuals to see how this year compares to last. You can even build custom report formats to see specific data segments or business areas separate to each other. When using the monthly forecasting tool, you can easily and visually see your financial peaks and troughs, allowing for better planning and preparedness and leading to better business outcomes.